Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I got a fidget spinner here. Well, fidget spinner. So yeah, hopefully you guys have one. I'm going to drop my thing down so I could spin it. So let's go on with it. Hold on, guys. I need to spin it. Okay. Okay. Bye. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That doesn't count. Yeah, I'll just spin it. So yeah. But I will be showing you guys a, I'm like, let me see, I will be showing you guys how, well, I got a white one, and it's made of metal. Yeah, my board got a tinier one, and it moves faster. Hopefully, you guys, well, I actually really think I'm going to like, show you guys. Well, I think you know how to spin it, of course you guys know it. So, yeah, we're, we're going to like test out. We're going to test out what how long it's been. So yeah, just hold on. I gotta set up my thing. Okay. Okay, hold on, guys. I have to like move all this stuff to show you guys how to spin it. Hopefully, just hold on. Do do. Hopefully this works. Hold on. Is that right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Closer. So yeah. Good to see here. It's spinning. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to spin like really fast. Go like this. See how it's moving fast? Yeah. I think you watched some videos that people upload on YouTube about figures, whatever it's called. A fig, I can't say out. I actually can't say it. It's called a fidget spinner. Yes. I think you guys saw people posting up fidget spinners in the past. So I'm showing you guys now. All my friends got one, so I actually spend this on my own money. So I'm gonna do this again. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Sorry about my fingers in the way, but I could see it. Look how sex is moving, huh? How sexy is moving. God. Look. This core what? I think I'm actually going to like post up and actually buy some more fidget fidget spinners, and I'm gonna be like, I'm actually going to be like going to to like buy a couple of these so you guys could have one. So yeah, hope. I think next time I get money. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, next time I got money, I will buy some of these for you guys. For you guys, right? For you guys. But I don't know how. Okay, send. I will just go to my email. It's michaelsears223 at gmail.com. Okay? Or or my, or just search up my name. I will be like making a lot more stuff for you guys. So subscribe if you actually want a fidget spinner. But I actually really don't know how to like I don't know how you have to send stuff. So you guys gotta teach me how. It's like people does this, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys one last time. Okay? For my next video I'll actually make another I have two fidget spinners in my house. I got I got a tiny one and this one. So so subscribe, like, comment, and I will make sure you guys get a fidget spinners. Okay? But I'm not sure how to do it. So hopefully if you want a fidget spinner, subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Well, I don't have like lots of them yet. I need like a full box of them. Like really full box of them. I need like a big old box, like this size, like a big old 5 feet box, or like tons of boxes. I think well, I'm just a child, see, so yeah, hope. Hopefully I could actually send you guys a fit a fidget spinners. So yeah. Well, subscribe, like, comment, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button in the effing face right now. I don't even care. Just subscribe. If you wanted these, subscribe. So fucking subscribe. Wait, that didn't came out right. If you want, oh, wait, I have to clear up my voice. If you want one of these fidget spinners, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button in the face, okay? In the effing face, and the like, and everything. If you want, if you want, if you want one of these fidget spinners, okay? Just look, look. It sounds good too. Look, listen carefully because it sounds actually pretty nice. You want to see how it sounds like? Okay, hold on, my knees are getting tired. 1, 2, 3. It's up to way too close to the camera, so okay, okay, that's enough. Now, 20 subscribers I got, right? 20 subscribers. I got 20 subscribers. So, I just might give them a fidget spinner. Just might. I won't show you guys my bar soon. If you like having a new one. This is mine. I will show you guys my brother's fidget spinner in the next video. That I should, like yesterday or something. Yeah. this these fidget spinners are so popular. So popular. Every kid wants them in the land. And guess what? Guess what the big thing is? They're, you need like $10 for a fidget spinner. Guess what? Guess what? I got this for free. I got this $0. Yeah, so I got this for free. I think. Well, well, my cousin Jesse gave me this fidget spinner, and my brother got paid his at the dollar store. Thank God. If if I went to a dollar store, right? If I went to a dollar store, they don't have one of these. And I thought they did, but they didn't. Thank God I have it though. So yeah, subscribe, like, and do whatever, but don't unsubscribe. Anyways, hopefully this video be posted up to YouTube. I think so. My thing voice is tired of talking now. Like a weirdo. Look at this piece of shit, man. Do you really want one of these? Subscribe right here on Diary of a Wimpy Kid / Mirror Games 2. I know it sounds weird, but I can't change my username or Google or Google or Google don't let me change my YouTube channel name, so hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit like the boss, okay? Hit that thing right in the fucking face. I, I swear I will actually give you guys if I have enough fidget spinners for you guys, I will give you it. So subscribe, but don't unsubscribe though. But because I'm still waiting for some money to come in to buy another fidget spinner. So yeah, I will show you guys my brother's fidget spinner and by let's see, by probably next week. He got like he got the best fidget spinners. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like my video, and sorry about the FUCK and stuff. It actually sounds more better. So yeah, okay, this is the final time I will be doing this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, that didn't came out right. Okay, mine just... Mine, okay, mine... Okay, just ignore that because... Shit. Okay. Okay, just... Okay. Okay, just... You have... Okay, we know that because... My table just fell. Okay, this is the final time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Wait. Shit. Okay. If you want one of these, right? Okay. I think I'm actually like going to stop recording now. Probably not though. I'm so attached to it, like. Yeah, everyone in my school got these fidget spinners, so yeah. Hopefully you guys rock, and hopefully I reach to 100 subscribers because I want because if you guys really want a fidget spinner, subscribe right now or probably in the next few hours. So yeah, subscribe. I'm not asking for subscribers, but if you really want, but I'm not forcing you to do it. Okay, if you really want a fidget spinner, well, I gotta wait. I gotta like buy some more. They're really cheap. So yeah, I'll send. I'll actually send it to you guys. So you hear that sound? It's so nice, isn't it? Okay. Okay, like I said, subscribe if you want. I think I said it too many times, so yeah. Okay, guess what? I just remember, I actually just remind myself. I just remembered that this fidget spinner is made of metal. Yeah, it really is made of metal. Okay. 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 Hope you guys